Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Green Country Customs here. I'm Jeff. We're going to be doing looks like a run of about 8 in a custom chartreuse and blackback shad. Real simple pattern, real basic. We're going to add a little bit of scale detail to the top of it. Anyway, let's get right to it. We're going to spray some paint. All right, we're going to get to this swim bait. We got the other 7 baits pretty much done. So, white base coat, and we got to cover it up with a custom chartreuse color, which I'm using really bright colors, fluorescent colors, in order to get this chartreuse that I want. And it's just a fluorescent yellow and a fluorescent green, really bright. Tell me what you think of glide baits with these chartreuse colors. Obviously, the customer that I've had definitely wants to get into it. Probably stained water situations. I don't know. Leave me a comment below. Tell me where you think the old chartreuse and black comes in. I love it on deep diving crankbaits. Regardless of the watercolor, and if smallmouth is present, they love the yellow. If you're doing these resin baits, make sure you kind of hit them from different angles, or they can expose some little crevices in these scale patterns that we're trying to get back up in there. You can see I just use a cotter pin to kind of help hold the sections in place. Now, on this particular one, he wants scaled, just the top, and some vertical black bars as well. Vertical bars, kind of like this pattern. Let's see, we want to stay clear of that. Still getting clogged. I think this old black paint's getting old is what the deal is, because it's spraying just fine when we go. All right, we gotta just gonna stay up above the head. We're going to start back here at the back this time. It's a little easier on the tail side. And then we'll come up here. Spraying good now. Now we're going to add our red gill. Red spot behind the gill, I should say. got a little orange, red. Throw up underneath the throat. Get the top just a little more black right here. What do you guys think? We got our Chartruese. I don't know if you want to call it a shad perch type pattern, but old chart in black. Just can't beat it. And I just taped off the eyes in these. Sometimes, man, these things are glued in like you're not getting them out. So if you just do a good job, take your time on the tape them, cut them out with an X-Acto, and you are set and ready to go. So let me unveil the tail, and I'm going to leave that there. I don't want to get clear coat on it. Stick around to the end, check out the pictures. I'll do some pictures of all 8 of these. We did some crankbaits, and we did 4 swim baits as well, or glide baits, whatever you want to call them. So anyway, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think of this pattern, where you would possibly use this. And I've never got into just yet of throwing these giant glide baits. I guess it's something I need to add to my repertoire. But until next week, Green Country Custom Baits signing out.